Hey, ever wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's a tradition that goes way back to ancient times. Back then, people believed a sneeze could expel your soul from your body. Saying God bless you was a way to protect the person from evil spirits rushing in. Another popular theory comes from the time of the bubonic plague in Rome. A sneeze was one of the first symptoms. So Pope Gregory I supposedly suggested saying God bless you as a little prayer for the person's health. And what about the idea that your heart stops when you sneeze? That's actually a myth. The pressure in your chest changes, which can alter your blood flow for a split second, but your heart doesn't actually stop beating. So next time you hear a sneeze, you'll know the fascinating history behind that simple phrase. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts. Thanks for watching.